the one thing everyone is waiting for, a coronavirus vaccine. And for India, Modi government has a plan. The National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration is preparing the rollout strategy for COVID immunization once a vaccine is developed. The panel is headed by Dr. V.K. Paul, who is a member of the Niti Aayog. The high-level body also includes AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria, representatives of the Ministries of External Affairs, Biotechnology, Information Technology, the Director General of Health Services and the ICMR, and representatives from states. So what is the government's plan? Who will get the COVID vaccine first? The Health Ministry says that the vaccine will be given first to those who need it the most, irrespective of their paying capacity. 3 crore people in high-risk jobs with maximum exposure have been identified. They will be the first batch of people who will receive the vaccine. They will include doctors, healthcare workers and army personnel.
We have about 30 to 50 crores people to be vaccinated, right? And our vaccine companies are extremely capable of generating many doses. What the priorities should be, right? I mean, who should be given the first dose of vaccines or something? And it's very right that healthcare workers should be given, should be very high on priority, and which I don't think anyone can deny that particular aspect.
Second batch of people to get immunized will be those over 50 years and those with comorbidities. Government plans to use electronic vaccine intelligence network to keep track. The Prime Minister has already hinted at a digital health ID to ensure that every single Indian is immunized. Vaccine distribution will be done under the Universal Immunization Program on the lines of voting registration exercise.
वर्तमान में इस देश में पिछले लगभग 50 साल से हम यूनिवर्सल इम्यूनाइजेशन का कार्य करते आ रहे हैं। इस पूरे अनुभव में देश भर में 28,000 से ज़्यादा कोल्ड स्टोरेजेस ऑलरेडी हैं जिनमें कि वैक्सीन स्टोर की जाती है। इन सब में टेम्परेचर ट्रैकर लगे हुए हैं जो रियल टाइम बेसिस पर जो हमारा सेंट्रलाइज सर्वर है उस पर इंफॉर्मेशन भेजते हैं। हमारा अपना एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है जो वैक्सीन के प्रोक्योरमेंट से लेकर स्टोरेज के तापमान और उसके परिवहन जो कि रीफर व्हीकल्स में रेफ्रिजरेटेड व्हीकल्स में किया जाता है या अगर नॉन रेफ्रिजरेटेड व्हीकल्स में किया जा रहा है तो वो एक खास प्रकार के बॉक्सेस में किया जाता है जिनमें कि वो तापमान बना के रखा जाए।
3 indigenous vaccine candidates are currently under trial in India. A 4th one is also being developed in collaboration with Russia.
India is now at the forefront of vaccine development for COVID. Some of them are in advanced stages. We are not stopping here. India is already working on putting a well-established vaccine delivery system in place.
After 10 months of the pandemic, India is already working on a vaccine rollout plan. With 4 candidates in the vaccine research, India is already at the forefront of the vaccine race. But remember, these will be given to the people who need it the most. But for you and I, the wait could just be a little bit longer. With Vinod Kumar, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.